Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by matching the adapter to the local socket and your device's power rating. This prevents damage. Once done, double-check the adapter reads 110-240V and that the pins match the outlet shape. Make sure to power the device off and unplug it before inserting the adapter. This avoids sparks. Push the correct plug style fully into the adapter until it clicks, and visually confirm the slider locks. These steps ensure a safe, firm connection before you continue. Now attach your device plug to the adapter receptacle, aligning the prongs exactly. Misalignment causes loose contact and heat. Once connected, use the adapter's locking ring or retention clip if provided to secure the plug. This prevents accidental disconnection when you move. If you meet resistance, stop and reseat the plug. Forcing it can bend pins. After seating, give a gentle tug to confirm a secure fit. This helps maintain reliable power flow while you travel. Finally, power on the outlet or any built-in switch and then your device. Check LEDs or charging icons to confirm current flow. If nothing happens, make sure the outlet is live and try the adapter with another device or a different socket. This isolates adapter versus outlet issues. If the adapter gets warm, emits unusual sounds, or smells like burning, unplug immediately and replace it. Safety overrides convenience. One key tip: carry a compact
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.